Right, we're going to take a quick look at a 1980 helicopter. It's a vintage Hirobo Falcon 707. Try and get onto the table. Right, get the canopy off. And we'll just have a quick look. Power on. I believe it's a 1980 model, probably 81, something like that. I can't get the engine going, I've no fuel. I'm not going to fork out about 20 odd pound. Right, we're just going to see if I'll actually... Yep, we've got some movement here. Just working the controls a little bit. And focus on what I'm looking at. That even starts going on by itself. Right, here we go, acceleration. That all works. Some appertaining over here. Not sure what everything does on these controls. Never flown an helicopter. Everything seems to be working, all the bits and pieces. Looks like it's had most of the aluminium parts polished up, I'd say. Look pretty good actually. I'll have a scan round. These back around there somewhere. It's rather large. It's probably, as it stands, about 52 inches. With a canopy on, probably another 5-6 inches on top. Don't know what this is though on the front here. Oops, let's see if I can focus in on it. Quest. Oh, stop low and safe here. All interesting stuff. 2 switches on this side. I believe they should be on the canopy. But then how would you get the canopy off? Go down here. Yeah, this I think they're called skis or skids, whatever, but they look in excellent condition. The boom on it, there's not a dent in it. Makes me think whether it's ever actually been flown. Let's have a look over here. as you can see down here a little bit. It's a belt drive, is this one? Goes down there. Got good compression in it, so I should think the engine could be okay. Probably wants a tune up if it hasn't been flown for a while. Probably stripped down. Just turn the power off. Turn it off on here. I think a lot of charging in this. Just enough to show a few things working. Yeah, so it's a fine example of a vintage helicopter. The canopy's not too bad. So you can have a look over here. It shows you the holes here for the switches. If I can, it's hard to see here with this sun. There they go. These are the switch holes. Could probably do with a clean up, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Alright you guys, I think that's it for this viewing of this super helicopter. Alright, take care now.